Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. Today I'm going to share with you my adhesive totes that I have available on my website for a limited time. This is the adhesive tote number 1. This is number 2. The adhesive tote 1 is $42.75 and adhesive tote number 2 is $48.50. Tote number 3 has sold out. All the details are over on my website, and I'll make sure I have a link in the description if you're on YouTube. So I'm going to show you everything that's in adhesive tote 1 and 2. So let me get these out of the way. I'm going to grab my basket of products. So we're going to start with adhesive tote number 1. We're going to take mini dimensionals, Stampin' Dimensionals, and tear and tape. And place this in here. And then I've got the mini glue dots. Put that in the front. Next is going to come the fine tip glue pen. I have to roll up the packaging. I don't take it out of the packaging because it's in there for a reason. Next is the liquid glue. And then the final is the snail adhesive and the snail refill. And those are added in the back so that it fits perfectly. So there's adhesive tote number 1. Again, $42.75. These totes reflect free tax and free shipping, okay? Adhesive tote number 2 is what I like to call my favorite. These are my favorite adhesives. So we've got 2 Stampin' Dimensionals, 2 packs of mini dimensionals, 2 packs of the tear and tape. I was just going to have 2 totes, and then I thought, you know what? I want to do one that's my favorite. I probably should have called it that. And then I'm going to add the liquid glue. One's going to go on each side. This was on back order for a few days, but it's back in stock. So I'm shipping these totes every week right now. And then the last thing to get added is the 2 packages of glue dots. Okay, so there's tote number 2. Like I said, $48.50. Just to recap again, we've got tote 1 and tote 2. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. And again, all the details will be over on my website. Thanks a lot.